You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. Name, a Japanese word that describes people with consuming interests, particularly in anime, manga, video games, etc. If you want to learn more anime names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Japanese pronunciation, otaku, otaku. Now in English, how to pronounce it? Well, fairly simply, otaku. Otaku from Japanese pronunciation, otaku. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.